Hello friends, welcome to the brand new video of Forex Engineer. In today's video, we are going to learn about our amazing tool, MT5 Cloud Copier. MT5 Cloud Copier is a powerful tool that allows you to copy trades from any MT5 account to one or multiple slave accounts. You can copy trades directly from one master account to multiple slave accounts at the same time. When you purchase a subscription from our website, your MT5 Cloud Copier gets activated. After that, you need to visit the Cloud Copier panel and enter the same email and password that you used while making the purchase. Using this email and password, you can directly log in to the portal. This portal can be managed from any device, whether it is a mobile, tablet, or PC, from anywhere and at any time. When you enter the same email that you used during purchase along with your password, you will be redirected to the profile dashboard. On the profile dashboard, you can see all your personal details, such as your profile name, your email, and your phone number. If you want, you can also change your password from here.
After the dashboard, you will see multiple options available. The first option is MT5 Login. From the MT5 Login section, you can directly log in to your master MT5 account. You can log in using an account from any broker as long as that broker supports automatic trading. Multiple brokers are supported here. You only need to enter your login details. Here you need to enter account number, account password, server name. It is very important to enter the correct server name on which your MT5 account is registered. Before clicking the submit button, please make sure that the account number, password, and server name are perfectly correct. Even a small mistake can cause the login to fail. Once all details are confirmed, click on the submit button. After submitting, you will see a message on the screen, MT5 login saved successfully. After that, when you refresh the page, you will be able to see the login status. If the status shows pending, it means your account is still logging in. Normally, it can take up to 1 minute for the account to log in successfully. So you need to wait for a short time and then refresh the page to check the status again. As soon as the status changes to success, it means your master account is fully logged in. After the login is complete, if there are any open trades in your master account, you can view them directly here in Open Trade section. Here you can see all important account details such as account number, account name, available balance, today's profit, weekly profit, monthly profit, trading currency, last server communication time, broker time zone. This way, you can clearly view all important information related to your master account in one place.
After this, we move to the slave trader section. According to your subscription, you will see the limit of slave licenses available to you here. For example, if your subscription allows a maximum of 5 slaves, then under one master account, you can add up to 5 slave accounts. To add a slave account, click on the Add Account button at the top. As soon as you click on Add Account, you need to fill in the basic details of the slave. Here, you need to enter slave name, slave email, slave mobile number. These details are only for your reference. They have no direct connection with the trading account. You can give any name to the slave account, just make sure the name helps you remember which client or which account it belongs to. Now there is one very important point, the start date and end date. You must choose the start date and end date very carefully. You can either enter the dates manually or select them using the calendar icon. The best practice is to select the start date one day before the date you want to start trading, so that trade copying starts instantly. After selecting the start date and end date, you will see a status button. Using this status button, you can enable or disable the slave account at any time. Once all details are filled, click on Save and the slave account will be added successfully. The status will now show active. When the slave status is active, you will also see a login button for that slave account. If you ever want to stop trade copying temporarily, you can change the status to disable and click on Update. This will make the slave account inactive and the login button will disappear. When you change the status back to active, the login button will appear again.
To log in to the slave account, click on the Login button. Now you need to enter the actual MT5 details of the slave account. Account number, password, server details.
After submitting these details, the slave account may take up to 1 minute to log in. You need to wait for a short time and then refresh the page to check the status. Once the status changes to success, it means the slave account is successfully connected. If there is even a small mistake while entering the details, such as an extra space, a wrong digit, or an incorrect server name, the status will show none. In this case, trades will not be copied. So always make sure that all details are entered correctly and carefully. If the slave account password is changed or the login fails for any reason, you can use the relogin option. When you click on relogin, all failed logins will automatically reconnect. After this, we move to the input section. Here, you can set a magic number. Trades in slave account will be placed with same magic number that you have entered. Next comes the lot type section. In the lot type section, you will find 4 options. The first option is fixed lot. When fixed lot is selected, no matter what lot size is used in the master account, the slave account will always open trades using the fixed lot size that you have set. The second option is same as master. With this option, the exact same lot size used in the master account is copied to the slave account. The third option is multiply from master. In this option, if the master account opens a trade with 0.01 lot and you set a multiplier of 2, the slave account will open the trade with 0.02 lot. The fourth option is auto lot. In auto lot, the lot size is calculated automatically based on the balance ratio between the master and slave accounts. For example, if the master account has a balance of 100,000 and the slave account has a balance of 50,000, then the slave account will automatically open trades with half the lot size. This allows you to trade safely according to your account balance. Next is the trade direction option. Here, you can choose between 2 options. As it is, opposite. As it is means the same trade direction used by the master account will be copied to the slave account. Opposite means if the master account opens a buy trade, the slave account will open a sell trade, and vice versa. The master account also has a separate magic number section. In this section, the master can choose which magic numbers should be copied into the slave accounts. This is useful when multiple automatic trading strategies are running on the master account. Each strategy usually operates with a different magic number. Using this section, the master can decide which strategies should be copied and which strategies should not be copied. For example, if the master account has a strategy running with magic number 123, the master can enter 123 in this section and click on Add. Once the magic number is added and you click on Submit, only trades with magic number 123 from the master account will be copied to the slave accounts. Any trades with other magic numbers will not be copied. If you want to copy all trades from the master account, including all strategies and even manual trades, then you should not add any magic number. If the magic number list is empty, all trades from the master account will be copied to the slave accounts without any filtering. Next comes the symbol section. In this section, you can choose to copy trades only for selected symbols. If you want trades to be copied only for specific symbols, you can manually select them here. For example, if you want to copy trades only for XAUSD or BTCUSD, you can select only those symbols. Once selected, only trades from these symbols will be copied to the slave accounts. If you do not select any symbol, then trades for all symbols from the master account will be copied to the slave accounts. Next is the symbol mapping option, available in the slave trader section. With symbol mapping, you can map a symbol from the master account to a different symbol in the slave account. Normally, the software auto-detects symbols. But if auto-detection fails, you can manually map the symbols. You can also delete existing mappings and create new ones whenever required. Next comes the Open Trade section. Here, you can see all live trades that are currently open in the slave account. You can check trades details such as trade price, volume, magic number, as well as you can check account details like account balance, today's profit, weekly profit, monthly profit, currency, last server communication time, broker time zone. This gives you complete visibility of all trading activity in the slave account.
Apart from these steps, you don't need to do any configuration in MT5. You don't need to open any chart or even MT5. Everything works completely on the cloud. Just log in once with your account details and trades will automatically copy in real time.
Now, if we talk about trade copying speed, trades are copied immediately. Trades open in the same second and close in the same second. Whether you are using auto trading or manual trading, the system handles both perfectly. In this way, you can use MT5 Cloud Copier to manage multiple accounts easily, securely, and efficiently. For more details, visit our website forexengineer.com. Thanks for watching.